Hi Sam. I'm glad to see you again. Today, we're diving into the word
sogenannt,
Hi Alex.
Sogenannt.
That sounds interesting. What does it mean?
It translates to so-called in English. It's used to refer to something that has a specific name or title, often with a hint that this name might not be entirely accurate or might be misleading. The most common usage is when introducing a term that needs clarification.
So, can it be used in everyday conversation?
Absolutely. Just be careful because it can sometimes be confused with similar terms, like
angeblich,
which means allegedly. They both imply a level of skepticism, but they are used in different contexts.
Got it. What about the grammar for
Sogenannt.
Great question.
sogenannt,
Is an adjective, so it doesn't have a plural form or gender like nouns do. However, it can change its form based on the noun it describes. For example, you might say,
die sogenannten Experten,
meaning the so-called experts.
So it changes based on the noun.
Exactly. In terms of usage, it's often used in the nominative or accusative case depending on the sentence structure. It's a useful word in discussions where you want to clarify or question a title or label.
Where does the word come from?
sogenannt,
Actually comes from the old High German roots, or means so or as and.
genannt,
Means named. It reflects a historical way of indicating something that is named in a specific way.
That's cool. It sounds like it has a lot of history.
Yes, and it's interesting how the meaning has evolved to include an implied skepticism about the name itself.
Can we break down the word further?
Sure. The word can be divided into two parts, the prefix and the root.
genannt,
The prefix emphasizes the manner or way something is done, while
genannt,
derives from the verb,
nennen,
which means to name.
So, putting that together, it's like saying named this way.
Exactly. It's about how something is referred to, often with a hint of irony or skepticism.
Are there similar words I should know?
Yes. There are quite a few. For example, with the same prefix, you have
sozial,
which means social, and
sofort,
meaning immediately. Then, with the same root,
genannt,
you can find,
benannt,
which means named, and
verboten,
which means forbidden.
Those are really helpful.
Also, some compounds like
sogenannte,
share the same pattern. For example,
sogenannte Ausnahme,
meaning the so-called exception.
Can we practice using
Sogenannt.
in situations?
Absolutely. Imagine you're at a meeting discussing a project. You might say,
Wir haben die sogenannten Probleme identifiziert.
meaning we have identified the so-called problems.
Oh, let me try.
Ich habe die sogenannten Herausforderungen erkannt.
Perfect. Now, in a different context, like while reading an article, you could say,
In dem Artikel wird über die sogenannten Experten gesprochen.
which translates to the article talks about the so-called experts.
Okay, let me try that.
Der Artikel spricht über die sogenannten Wissenschaftler.
Very good. One more context could be during a conversation with a friend. You might say,
Mein Freund hat mir von den sogenannten Trends erzählt.
meaning my friend told me about the so-called trends.
Mein Freund hat mir von den sogenannten Neuigkeiten erzählt.
Nice job.
Any tips for remembering the gender or usage of
Sogenannt.
Well, since it's an adjective, you don't need to worry about gender in the same way as nouns. Just keep in mind that it usually appears with a noun and follows its case. A good mnemonic might be to think of it as a label that comes with a question mark.
That makes sense.
In terms of usage,
Sogenannt.
is often used in a formal context, like academic writing or discussions. Some typical collocations include
Sogenannte Experten. Sogenannte Studien.
and.
Sogenannte Phänomene.
Are there any words I should be careful about mixing it up with?
Yes, be careful not to confuse it with.
Angeblich.
As I mentioned before, they can sound similar, but they're used differently.
Can we do a quick recall check?
Sure. What does
Sogenannt.
mean?
It means so-called.
Good. Can you give me an example sentence?
Die sogenannten Experten.
The so-called experts.
Great start. What's the root verb it comes from?
It comes from.
Nennen.
Right.
Exactly. How would you use it in a sentence about trends?
Die sogenannten Trends sind interessant.
Very good. Lastly, what's a similar word with the same prefix?
Maybe.
Sozial.
Perfect. You've nailed it. To summarize, today we learned about
Sogenannt.
which means so-called, and how to use it in different contexts. Remember to think critically about how labels are applied.
Thanks, Alex. This was really helpful.
I'm glad you think so. Keep practicing, and I look forward to our next session.